So I'm back, and the time has come for a fridge upgrade. And the Waeco CFX40 is just too small for our liking, I guess. Nothing wrong with it, no problem with it. Great fridge, never had a problem with it. But it's just too small for what we want to do. We've got an 80 litre fridge, I think it's upright fridge in the caravan, and this 41 here, which doesn't seem like a lot, but we've now got a bigger one. The 95 litre brass monkey, which we're going to check out today. Don't know too much about it, but I guess we'll crack it open and have a look at it. Which looks really good. Just love the smell of brand new plastic, really nice. Our little box, check out what's in here. "12 24-volt charger, auxiliary charger. Power brick, I'm guessing for 240 volt. And some instructions. That's all we get. So you do get two removable cages as well, which is really handy. One on either side, and also some drain plugs down there, which are just pull in, pull out. It's really nice. So we've got the plug at the back here with a fuse, handle either side, which aren't spring mechanism like the Waeco, but I guess you get that with the price you pay. Yep, handle either side, control panel, and no USB points, which is something different, something to think about there. Don't know how handy they are, I've never used the one in the Waeco, but USB points are always handy. And apparently these are, you can change them either side here. I'm not too sure how. There's a little notch there. Just swap out somehow. Pop out maybe. By the looks of that. Just like that, I guess. Yep. Just like that. That's really handy. I like that. Hope that it's going to fit, really. Yeah, it looks a bit big, but with the seats all the way forwards, we should be able to get it in there. But let's plug it in and see how it goes. So I'm actually going to test fit it first because I'm a bit worried it's not going to fit, but hopefully it fits. I don't know, we'll see. Also hoping it takes the same plug as the Waeco, which would be really handy. Actually looks like it does take the same plug. Have a quick look. Yep, bang on. Exact same plug as the Waeco, and dare I say it, the angle system. So no cutting and splicing for my Anderson plug, and just plug it straight in. If it fits. That's a tight fit, really tight fit. Have a look at that. Barely got access there for the plugs. Let's see if the lid's actually. It's doable. Hopefully the door closes. Happy as Larry there. That's really good. Really happy that fits in there. Right, take it out, plug it in, 240 and see how it goes. There she goes. It beeped at me. I don't know what that means. And in the instructions it did say just let it sit for 6 hours before plugging in, so I don't know, we've done that. It's driven back from Perth 4 hours and it's sat probably another 4 hours. Good enough for me. But I guess power on. I don't know if you can see that. Try and get it a bit closer here. 22 and 22. Compressor's going. Don't know if you can hear that still, but I guess we'll set the temperature, let it sit and see how it goes after a while. We'll put the big side on 4 degrees as a fridge, and then the small side, I don't know what I'm doing here, Eco and Max. Put on Eco, looks pretty good. HML, we'll go L because we've got a dual battery system. I think that's what it is, it's either H or L. High battery protection or low, low will do. Now to change this side, I'm not sure how to do that. Yep, there we go. We'll put that on a freezer setting of -7, -8, that'll do, something like that. We'll let that sit for a while and come back and check it out. So one last thing, I will chuck a load of bottled water in there, and it's already cold in the other fridge there, the Waeco. I'll chuck that in there and that should give it a bit more of a hand to cool down. So we've had it on for about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, and it's sitting at 3 degrees and 8 degrees. So it's getting there, slowly getting there, and I think we'll try and let the car do the rest because I'm going to go for a quick drive later. But let's launch it in here, see what it looks like. So that's really good. I'm really happy with the way it fits like that. That's perfect. But I don't know about these handles being on that side. It's just a bit of a pain. I guess we'll have to open it to try it. I mean, that'll work. That'll work really good. And then the freezer section, yeah, happy with that, really happy with that. So a 95 litre Brass Monkey fridge fits in the back of a 150 Prado. And I like how it's got a handy little battery monitor on there, which there is about, well, couple of metres of run from the wiring to the front battery, so there might be a bit of loss there. But anyway, really happy with that. As for the Waeco, I will be selling that, I think, but never had a problem with Waeco. Been a great bit of gear. It's just I can't justify paying $1,600 for a dual zone 95 litre when you can pick these up with a 3-year warranty for $800. And yeah, it's just a bit, almost half the price. You can't really compete there. But I guess we'll see how it goes. We'll do a couple of months travelling and then have another look at it, see how it's been. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. That's my little review of the Brass Monkey 95 litre. Cheers.